Yeah, this is what happens when your roof or your greenhouse gets a little damaged. You don't need the indoor sprinkler system anymore. It's what you call automatic watering. Man, this sucks. All the bee stuff in here is getting soaked. Need to get this fixed.